Hey folks, quick update on the Tanaka. I just fixed replaced the carburetor. Very simple process. This is the old carburetor right here. This is just an update video. This is the old carburetor I took out of it. These are basically disposable on these Echo Hitachi brand type of weed trimmers. I replaced that. I replaced the cords that go into the kill switch and the throttle. Just the power cords. I replaced the power cords that go to the on and off switch. Replaced the on and off switch, and it runs great now. We're going to try it out to show you. If you want to watch how-to videos, how to do this, there's plenty of videos online. But this is just an update on the Tanaka. An update on the Tanaka TCG22 SLP weed trimmer. It's a 2-cycle weed trimmer. It's also a 22cc motor, 1 and 1 horsepower motor. It should work. I just fixed it up. Has a bump and feed head. It's a straight shaft. They also make these in a bent shaft as well. We're going to try it out, do a little bit of work with it, and see how she runs. I'm going to put it on choke, and then there you go. is a properly running Tanaka TCG22 6-pound weed whacker when it's properly fixed and works great. It also doesn't bog down like it did with a icky carburetor, and now it's running smooth. So 4 years worth of use on this thing, and this is just an update to show you it's working. When it's working good, it works great. Like I said, I'm not going to recommend it. Like I said, if you want something cheaper, you can get it, but it's an okay weed whacker for what it is. But if y'all like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. This has been your old pal Hondo from Hillbilly Tactical. You know what y'all can do? You put God first, and He puts you first every time. And you know what else, YouTube? God loves you. So does Hondo. Peace out, YouTube. Shout out to MFW. This is the video I wanted to give her to make for her. For Miss Fucking Wonderful. There you go. Miss Fucking Wonderful.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's